But ngayon siya, nga finally, nakauban na jud ti ka love. Dugay na ti kang gustong ihag. Nakasmile na lang sad ko siya hanggingon. Gikilig ko, pero light na. Then that time, nag-watch siya ramig TV ha. Pero kani-ganing na adjoy temptation. Basta kamurang duwa. Wala na. Bilihok na iyahang mga kamo. Nahimo na siyang touchy. Nakulbaan ako ginahinay. Nakulbaan ako. Mihinay-hinay na siya dool na ako. Gigakos ko niya. Bakhag. Kaya ako kay naglingkod sa bed. Siya kay naghihigdaman. Sumoto yaha kong gibakhag. Yahang kamot. Naabot na sa ko ang kapuntukan. Like bye. Grabe jud kaayo ning tawhanan. Namaak naman kay nanggigil na kaayo. Lagkit na sad og tinanawan. Then ako, nadala na jud ko niya. Gikalit ko niya bira. Tapos gikisan. Bye. That was my first kiss. I dream it na romantic unta. Pero nga nung ato ra kadali siya. Nakuyawan ko ba? Iplayo ko niya. Pero gibira ko niya pa dool siya. Dayon gikisan ko niya balik. Wala ko na-respond niya. I was shocked. Gitry na ko nga mo-escape siyang makamot. Ba't kusgan siya pa'y kamay? Nakahilak na lang ko. Then nag-flashback ang nawang sa akong ex. Lights off dito ba? Or dim light try suga. Tapos that time, lahi na akong nakita. Ako naman noong ex akong nakita siya. Dayan siya. Siya yapon siya kiss. Pati sa akong neck. Grabe na jud kayo siya ba? Nikiss na siya sa akong lips. And this time, na-respond na ko. At first, normal kiss ra. Anto sa niabot sa torrid kiss. Shula. Shula anay na ba? Dayon fast hands kaayo siya ba? Gihubo na niya. From my clothes down there to my aunties. Then last, gihubo niya ako ang bro. Then nitotoy siya na murag bata. Nisamot na siya akong feelings ba? Nibalik siya kiss sa akong lips. Pasahanay naglaway. We have torrid and French kiss. We share each other's warmth. And from lips, he explored in my neck. He's too hard that he bite my ears and lick my neck. It was like I was dreaming that time. Grabe na jud may ato nga time. I was carried away by it and lost my focus about my surroundings. And that's why na-arouse ko. And suddenly, I hear myself moaning with a lot of pleasure in it. He was happy that I was moaning because of what he did, but didn't realize I was not thinking of him by and just see him as a resemblance of my ex. Unfair kaayo sa to para niya ba? But I was carried away. Sa moto nga gipasagdan na lang nako kung unsay gusto niyang buhaton. Instead of stopping him, doing naughty things to me, nadala na ko sa sensation and I was really wild that my body temperature increases. It was my first time that I felt that heat coming out from my body. Sa tungod ato, nagpadayon may sa mong gibuhat and much more aggressive na kayo. His hands are too expert to point out and focus sa goals. When I realized that his hands are touching my woman, I stopped them and begged him many times that I was not ready. But he stood deaf and pretend that he didn't hear me by. Nasuko og nihilak na ko that time. Kay di pa jud ko ready. Na-realize na niya. So nag-foreplay siya para maganahan ko balik. Gusto niya nga musugot ko nga na may hitabo ng mundo. Sumoto nga na-explore na siya balik sa kong laos. Grabe ang sensation ba? Alam mo sa feeling. Murag ni transmit ko sa akong another world na kamiran duha. Nibalik na ko gaganahan. Motong gisabayan na ako siya. We kiss a lot like a married couple. Nawala na akong principle na sex after marriage. Dalang-dala, anbasa na kayo ko ba? And I give him permission na buhaton tanang gusto niya. So he smiled at me and he said, pwede na. And ako nga di pa ko ready. And we don't have protection ba yan? Hana siya, nga ako na bahala. Kabalo ko mag-withdraw. O ako sabot siyang giingon ba? Basta nawala na ko sa kong sarili. Pero naapa akong conscious. And we did stop. So I offer him na mag-half sex. Tama na ko foreplay. And i-BJ ra na ako siya. So nisugot na lang siya. Para ma-comfortable daw ko. So moto nga akong gidulaan ng iya. Dako po siya bunalbay. So moto nga ganahan kayo siya. Lamig ipaminawon ang mode. Maka-turn on siya. Ug samot siya hara ko niluho. Kapangumot na siya sa kong buhok. And yes, ni success siya. Dugay-dugay po kay ginapugngan di ay niya. Para madugay daw akong service. And he didn't expect. Kaya maingon siya nga, love, expert lagi kaayo ka. Di ba virgin pa man ka? Yes, man. Virgin pa ko pero ambot. Gusto lang na ako mas satisfied siya. Kay kana radyo dapat ang mahitabo. Ugwa na ilahin pa. After pila ka minutes nagpahuway namin. Nawasan na sad ko. Pero siya, hindi balik na sad ang kamay niya. Sumoto nga nag-explore na sad iyahang kamot. Ikan sa kong lips. And he put his finger to my mouth. Ambot. Gina-measure siguro niya unsa kalalo. That time by, ni-smile na sad siya. Ahak. Makabugto og burn. Pero we are naked that time. Sumoto, out of nowhere, kay expert na lang jud dawana. From my belly button to my pearl. Niabot jud sa laing planeta iyang kamot. Kay nakamoan jud ko pagsulod siyang kamot. Sakit kayo at first, pero lami di ay po. Tiniyahan na sa niya gisulod ang isa. So nagpangumot na ko siya. Kay hastang sakita. But he's enjoying doing that thing. Ako kay murag mabuang. Then he whispered to my ears, love, ako ara ka. Please. Gusto na ako makuha ka. But I don't know kung sa'y pasabot niya. So may oo na lang ko that time. Anikalit ra siya patong na ako. Like what? Sa iyang buhaton. With a maniac smile na yung na sa siya balik nga. Love, ipasulod na ko ha. Ay kabala ka. Kay kabalo ko mo control. Ambot ba? He cast his spell, kuro, kay nisugot naman noon ko. Tininihinay niya nga gipasulod. Sakit kayo kay first time na ako. Like, nakaingon ko nga, love, hinaya, kay sakit kayo. Sumoto nga gisulod niya nga, but he wants to go deeper inside me. Sakit na jud kayo ba? Pero gentle lang gihapon siya. Hinay, pero kanunay. Pangumot na ko siyang buhok. Open arms and open legs na jud ba? Nagpaubaya na ko. Gisurrender na jud na ko akong bataan. And he did. Gikan sa hinay, ni paspas na. Like lami as of it was like ma-feel ni mo ang intimacy between two of us. Lots of love and lust, of course. Then yung siya balik. Nga love, dahil onti kag langit. With a teasing smile na hibulong ko, ay grabe. He thrust that hard to me and he successfully made me to experience paradise. And that was the first time that I felt butterflies in my stomach. And getting wasted. Only I can see is his mesmerizing eyes and handsome face. Then I hugged him that time. He's really in love that time. Me, still thinking of him as my ex. And that time, I've already given him my all. We're really that compatible in bed, but not together. We have a lot of fun that night. Gisulod siya namo ang 3 hours nga magpuban. Of course, that was full of lust because there's no love in lust. And there's no lust in love. And that's the reality. We talk about our past and we accept each other's flaws. But I thought, I will not regret of what I did. Bye. He made me happy that time and boost my confidence that moment. He hugged me really that tight, you don't want to let me go. Or mainom man lang og tubig and it melts my heart. That's the first time I felt that pleasure niya. I felt safe and secure. Lami kay sa feeling ihang pagakuspay. Like I want to feel it again but don't want to be with him. The feeling of safe and loved by someone. We stayed that for a while and I don't want to escape from your arms. But I realized I was so unfair to you because I didn't love him back. I'm just carried away because of my lustful desire and myself betrayed me. It was already time and we left that place with a lot of memories. Yatod ko niya na wala na ko sa kong sarili. Then I go home without noticing that I'm already crying. Ngilak jud kog maayo ba? Wala ko kabalo nga no. Maybe because I lost my V-card or being regretful of what I did. Pag human akong i-open akong account, unblocked him to all of my Facebook accounts. Before that, I lied to him that night and we talked how happy he is. Kaya nakauban ako niya. Well, me crying that entire night. Because I was ashamed of myself. Like kugaw na kayo, ang tanaw na ako sa kong sarili. I bid my goodbye to him and said, I did love him, but I need to let go of him. He was confused that time, but I already blocked him. So I spent my night crying and begging to God to make my life. I'm tired and want to rest, but I can't sleep. So I was awake whole night and suddenly fell asleep because of too much pains and my eyes are tired now. When I wake up, I received a lot of messages and calls from an unknown number. It was him. It was him who did those things. Then I cried suddenly. Itong hinumduman na sad na ko ang nahitabo sa mo that night. While facing the mirror, I cried because I can't accept the fact na wala na ko ang ginaingatan for 19 years of my existence. I lost it that night. Many weeks and months passed but I can't move on from that night. It keeps haunting and I always dream about it. So I get depressed and my anxiety is getting worse. I can't handle it. I'm tired of crying by. And we don't have communication because I already cut my connection to him. And he begs that time by, pero wala na. Dili na ko matablan. He keeps telling me he loved me and he want to spend the rest of his life with me. Pero wala na sa kong sarili. Di na ako madawat tanan bay. Sakit kayo. Hastang sakita. Wala na ko'y sulod-sulod sa klase and luckily, it was online class. So I can have excuses that I have poor connection. I deactivated my account para di na ko niya i-reach out. Even wala sa siya kabalo sa mong balay. Kaya paghatod niya, taman raman sa kanto kay mahadlo ko nga naay makita. That night, that unexpected night, changes everything to me. I will regret it forever and always maka-feel og guilt because I think wala na dyan. I'm not worthy to be loved by someone again. Pila sad kabuan akong pag-move on, nibalik og eskwela, kay balik na mig face to face. As expected, ako ang mga amigo na balakasan. Pero mag-smile lang ko, just to pretend na okay ra ko. But deep inside, I was drowned at my own thoughts. Nigawas ko balik, but I didn't expect na makuyawan og ing-ana kapaspas ang beats sa kong heart. Like mixed emotions, nalipay or nasakitan ba ko. Because the guy that was standing the corner is somehow half a familiar face. Kaya nakamask ko, pero nakulbaan ako. O gipaningot ko og maayo. Og mairasan. Nakamask ko kay di mahalata. But when he getting closer to me, I realized that guy. That guy na akong nakauban tatnan. That guy na akong naka one night stand. That guy na nidawat og nihigugman ako. Like ako ara dyan hangyo, nalamunon ko sa lupa. Mura siyag na slow motion akong palipot. And I think time was freeze that time. Ug wala sad ko kalihok because I didn't expect na makita na ko siya after how many months. Fate was really playing at me and I recognized it was land. After that, nibalik ko sa akong giagian and trying to escape from him. But didn't expect na nisulod siya sa room kung asa ako asa niya room. Tadhana nga naman. From schoolmates to classmates.